here's a little Apple hack. I was today years old when I realized that little logo on the back is actually a button. Here, let me show you. Go to Settings, scroll down to Accessibility, and then you're going to find Touch. Go all the way to the bottom, Back Tap. Let's go to Double Tap and set it for Screenshot. That should work. Okay, now watch this. Now you can screenshot with just one hand. Imagine that. You're welcome.
You can actually mute a notification for an hour or the day by doing this. When you screenshot a web page, you can actually click on full page and then save it as a PDF to files. This is super useful and I use this feature all the time. I like to use the magnifying feature on screenshots so that I remember what I actually screenshot this for. You can ask Siri to actually send a link to somebody for you and she will automatically do that. If you stack your emojis like this and send a screen effect, it will be such a fun way for your friends to open a text. And the quickest way to turn off your flashlight is just to simply slide like that.
Here's another iPhone trick I guarantee you didn't know about. Go to Settings, then go to Control Center. Then scroll down and find Hearing, then add it to the Control Center. Then when you open your Control Center, you should see an ear. Click on it and turn Live Listening on. You can now listen to what's being said in any room where you leave your phone through your AirPods. Share this with your friends.